Not every home renovation adds value. Some upgrades actually lower your property's worth, make it harder to sell, or push buyers away. The worst part? You might not realize the damage until it's too late. In this video, we're breaking down the home upgrades that can quietly lower your resale price, even if they look great to you. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Many homeowners renovate to add value, but it doesn't always work. A clever real estate poll found that 30% of homeowners renovate to boost value, and 13% do it to get ready to sell. But not every project helps your bottom line. Some can actually hurt it. Overspending or making personal design choices often backfires when buyers don't share your taste. Number 1. Swimming pools that lower home resale value. Pools might add curb appeal in listings, but they're a liability for many buyers. Maintenance costs, insurance hassles, and seasonal usability make them more work than they're worth in most markets. Families with young kids often see pools as a safety concern, not a feature. Unless you're in a luxury neighborhood where pools are standard, this upgrade can actually shrink your buyer pool, pun intended. Number 2. Bathroom upgrades that hurt property value. Spa-style bathrooms with high-end showers and imported tile can cost a fortune, but the resale payoff is weak. According to Angie, bathroom remodels only return around 55% to 60% of their cost. That's barely half your money coming back. Buyers usually just want clean, updated bathrooms, not luxury spaces they'll have to maintain or pay extra for. Number 3. Paint colors that turn off potential buyers. Bright or trendy paint might match your taste, but most buyers won't share it. Loud walls distract from the home's features and signal extra work to buyers who just want move-in ready. It can also make rooms feel smaller or more chaotic. Neutral paint sells because it lets buyers imagine their own style, not yours, on the walls. Number 4. Open layouts that can decrease property appeal. Open concept renovations can backfire if you remove too much structure. Knocking down walls may eliminate storage, reduce privacy, or create awkward, undefined spaces. Buyers with families or work-from-home setups often prefer clear separation between rooms. If your layout feels more like a warehouse than a home, your property value may suffer. Number 5. Kitchen remodels with poor return on value. High-end kitchen upgrades look great, but they rarely bring high-end returns. Most luxury remodels recoup just 50% to 60% of the cost, and personalized features can limit broad appeal. What you see as gourmet, a buyer might see as overdone or overpriced. Stick with quality and function instead of design flexes if resale value matters. Number 6. Backyard kitchens that don't add property value. Outdoor kitchens feel like a luxury, but that doesn't mean they add much value. They're expensive to build and often underused, especially in colder climates. Most buyers see them as high-maintenance features, not selling points. Unless you're in a region where outdoor living is year-round, skip this upgrade if you care about resale potential. Number 7. Exotic flooring that hurts resale potential. Marble, bamboo, or rare hardwood floors might impress your guests, but buyers often see them as fragile and expensive to maintain. These materials scratch easily, need special care, and aren't always child or pet-friendly. While you're thinking upscale, they're thinking extra cost. Durable, neutral flooring adds more property value than niche materials that don't fit most lifestyles. Number 8. Landscaping that lowers buyer interest. Over-the-top landscaping might look magazine-worthy, but many buyers see it as a maintenance headache. Ponds, specialty plants, and elaborate lighting often come with extra costs and effort. Unless the buyer is an avid gardener, they're more likely to see a chore than a perk. Clean, low-maintenance yards tend to protect property value better than showpiece landscaping. Number 9. Smart home tech that adds little value. Smart lighting, automated blinds, voice-controlled faucets, it all sounds futuristic, but most buyers just want simple. According to a recent report, smart home tech adds only about 30% ROI, which makes it one of the weakest value boosters on the list. Plus, tech ages fast and may confuse less tech-savvy buyers. If resale is the goal, save the gadgets and keep your upgrades user-friendly. Number 10. Garage conversions that reduce property function. Turning your garage into a guest suite, office, or gym might work for you, but most buyers want that space back. Losing a garage means losing storage, parking, and security. That's a deal breaker for many buyers, especially in suburban areas. You're better off keeping the garage intact if you want to preserve resale appeal. Number 11. Home additions that overprice the property. A second-story addition or a massive new room might give you space, but it can hurt your sale later. Oversized homes that don't match the neighborhood often appraise poorly, and buyers won't pay a premium if nearby homes are smaller. You end up pricing yourself out of your own block. If your home becomes the most expensive on the street, your value ceiling may already be set. Number 12. Hot tubs that hurt home value. They sound relaxing, but hot tubs often come off as high maintenance or even risky. Mold, leaks, and electrical issues are real concerns, and many buyers don't want the upkeep. For families with kids, it's a safety issue more than a selling feature. Unless you're selling in a luxury market, skip the spa if you want to protect your property value. Number 13. Solar panels that don't increase resale value. Solar sounds smart, but leased panels or untransferable incentives can scare off buyers. If you haven't owned them long enough to show meaningful savings, they're just another thing buyers don't want to figure out. EV chargers have similar issues, great in theory, not always wanted in practice. Be cautious with energy upgrades unless they come with clear long-term value and easy transfer terms. Number 14. Custom built-ins that limit buyer flexibility. Floor-to-ceiling shelves, permanent desks, and media walls might work for your lifestyle, but they box in future buyers. Built-ins reduce flexibility and can make rooms feel dated or too specific. Removing them later costs time and money. When in doubt, keep your space open and leave room for imagination and furniture choices that aren't bolted down. Protecting your home's property value starts with smarter choices. Not every upgrade is a win. Some look impressive, but silently chip away at your property's value and buyer appeal. The goal isn't to build your dream house, it's to make smart moves that hold up when it's time to sell. Keep resale in mind, stay within neighborhood norms, and skip the flashy extras that don't earn their keep. Renovating your home should feel like progress, not a project you regret. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.